TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2 scanner sold by TOPDON Online. Introducing the TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2 scanner, a versatile diagnostic tool for automotive professionals. This scanner features ECU coding, compatible with brands like Benz, BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche. It offers guided functions for Volkswagen, Audi, and troubleshooting for Porsche models after 2011. With bidirectional control, it performs tasks like ACC shutdown and brake vacuum pump calibration. The scanner supports programmable module installation for Ford, Lincoln, and Mazda vehicles. Variant coding allows customization of software-driven functions for different regions. It provides 41+ hot reset services, including AdBlue, TPMS, and gearbox resets. AutoVin and AutoScan enable quick connections to all available vehicle systems. The scanner's advanced hardware includes a 10.1-inch touchscreen and 64 gigs of storage. It runs on Android 10.0 and offers over 10 hours of operation on a single charge. Enjoy 2 years of free updates via one-touch Wi-Fi for expanding vehicle coverage. AutoAuth Access allows bypassing SGM in FCA vehicles for comprehensive diagnostics. Compatible with 2017 and later Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and other FCA brands. The tool covers 99% of global vehicles, enhancing diagnostic efficiency. A QR code on diagnostic reports allows easy sharing and viewing on mobile devices. Ensure smooth maintenance with scheduled procedures and logical workflows. Experience seamless diagnostics for over 50,000 models with the TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2 scanner. Rated 4.5 stars, it is one of the best full-blown scan tools on the market.